Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the camera app. Once the camera has launched, tap on the settings button on the top corner. Next, we go down and tap on vibration feedback switch to turn it on or off. Now, if it is switched on when you take a photo or when you do certain things, you can feel the phone vibrate very gently. But if you turn it off, then when you are taking a photo, the phone will not vibrate at all. And that's it. That is the vibration feedback for your camera settings. And finally, you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.